Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use the Freeform gradient tool on Adobe Illustrator. I'm just going to grab this shape tool and just create a shape real quick like so, and then I am just going to select the shape and I'm going to go to gradient and I'm just going to select it. Then I'm just going to choose the freeform gradient type. Here you can add more dots by just clicking on it, and you can even move this dot around like so. To add another one, just click it, and you can then change the color here. So I'm just going to change the color by clicking on the dot and just changing the colors like so. So I'm just going to do that for every bit right here. You can move that around, add another one here maybe, the different color. You can also adjust the opacity of the color, like the colors here. I think I might just adjust the pink one a little bit like so. And that is pretty much how you can use the freeform gradient on Adobe Illustrator. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!